Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 24th, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. We're going to start off here with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher by just a quarter of 1 point to 20.98 3/4 per contract. So all in all, it looks like another flat open for the market, at least if the market were to open now. So we'll see how this all plays out once it's all said and done. We have seen a little bit of a pullback from the market high, but nonetheless, market today coming under really just a flat trading session. So we'll see how it plays out. But there are some major stocks in the news. And we're going to start off with Amazon. This morning, you're going to see Amazon is roaring and soaring. How high can it go? Nobody knows. I do not know. But at this stage of the game, does the stock have 600 in the cards? Many would have to think so. That's the next big whole round number. Markets love to go to those levels. So we'll see if that is the case. Right now it is overbought, severely overbought on all metrics. So be a little bit aware of that. I believe Amazon now is above Walmart's market cap. So we'll see how this plays out today. But I do not have any level. If you own it, congratulations. Trail your stop loss. That's the best you could do with it. If you don't own it, I would not be chasing the stock up here. All right, let's turn our attention now to Juniper Networks. Juniper has had a very, very good move this morning. Stock right now is trading at $28.74. Did trade briefly above $29.50. I am going to have gap resistance levels for this equity once the opening bell rings this morning. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial we offer. Check it out. You could be in the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. It's been an awesome 2015, and we're going to look to keep that going. Next up on the radar here is Visa. Visa is having a very, very good little pop today. Stock closed at $71.75. It is now trading at $76.05. Strong move. Its stock is in an uptrend, a little bit overbought on the daily chart, but nonetheless, if you own a trail to stop loss, Visa is still in good shape. Now, in sympathy to Visa, we probably have MasterCard moving higher, and certainly that is the case this morning. Stock closed at $95.16. It is trading at $98.01. There is a little resistance up here around $98.75, $98.50 area. So just be aware that that's where the stock starts to get a little extended on the daily chart. But nonetheless, both look strong. Both are good. Trail stop losses on both. Let's take a look at AT&T. I believe they had earnings as well. Showing the stock right now at $34.76. Close at $33.93. So good little pop for AT&T. I don't think there's all that much upside today. If the stock got to around $35.50, $35.40, that would probably be the extent of the up move. So again, if you own it, trail your stop loss into that $35.40 level. Once you get up there, put a real tight stop in, because I don't see any more upside for AT&T at that point. Let's take a look at good old Starbucks. And what you're going to see here for Starbucks is that the stock is making new all-time highs. Right now it's trading at $59.30. It closed yesterday at $56.50. So all the way down here. Great move for Starbucks. This is another one, new all-time high. Simply trail your stop loss. Stock is still in good shape. Has technical uptrend on every time frame. It is getting a little bit overbought on the bigger time frames, but just understand it's still a strong stock. You want to stick with the strong stocks. Just trail your stop loss going forward. Let's take a look here at our next one, which is Skyworks. SWKS is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed yesterday at 103.12, trading at 105.95. This is kind of an Apple play as well, but either way, the stock had a good reaction to earnings. It's pretty strong. It's in an uptrend. It's holding firm. You really want to see this stock establish itself above the 105.50 level. If it does that, 110 is in the cards, possibly 113 down the road. Not saying it's going to happen today, but down the road it still can happen. So again, good move for Skyworks. We'll be trading this once the opening bell rings. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. Let's take a look at good old TripAdvisor. TRIP is a ticker symbol. The stock is getting hammered to the downside. Closed at $93.37. It is now trading at $85.77. I will have gap levels for this morning. We will be trading TripAdvisor once the opening bell rings. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. Let's take a look at Capital One Financial. We have a gap level for this. This stock is getting roasted. It closed at $90.77. It is now trading at $83.80. So this stock is getting hammered to the downside. We will have gap levels for you once the opening bell rings. So again, another gap play we will be taking today in Capital One. Let's take a look at Pandora. Pandora right now is trading at 15.30, closed at 13.88. That's a pretty good little pop. I see a lot of different levels here, but nothing all that significant at the moment. So we're going to wait for the opening bell to ring, but this could be on our radar today as well. Biogen IDEC. I have to work on levels on this one. Stock is getting absolutely hammered today. Closed at 385.05. It is now trading at 335.98. So I do not even see a level here, which I'm interested in, but I will find one probably around 330. I do think that's a good level. So it has to drop another 6 points. I would start to get interested there. Also right at 300, I would love that level as well. I don't know if we're going to see that, but around 330, I do like that little bit of a level there for Biogen if it does get there. Let's take a look at QLIC. Ticker symbol QLIK. Stock is soaring and roaring, but it is overbought on every metric. So if you own this, trail your stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here. Again, it's in an uptrend. That's the positive part. The negative part, it is very overbought at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at TRUE, which is true. And what's true about this stock is getting hammered. That's what's true. TrueCar stock right now is trading at $6.75, closed at $10.68. To be honest, I don't even see a level where I want to own it. So be very, very careful here. I know it did trade down to $6.50 in the after hours yesterday. I guess that level could still get tagged or even breached. So be very, very careful. But for me, there really is no level where I even want to own this at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at the last one here. ALGN, which is a line. Good pop there. It's trading at $65. Closed at $65.59. So it's really not a pop. It's kind of a little bit lower than where it closed, but good pop off the sell-off that it had in the after hours yesterday. With this stock right here, it's going to be important to see how it shakes out after the first hour. So again, we'll keep this on the radar, but this could be in play today. Right off the bat, I am seeing big resistance levels around 67.50 and then 68.40. If it comes down and sells off, I do like the 61.50 level for a scalp bounce. So keep that on the radar, 61.50 if it does sell off. I'm not sure what it will do, but it is on our radar today. All right, gold futures right now trading down $11.20. Gold is absolutely annihilated down here. Right now, gold futures are trading at $10.83 an ounce. Crude futures are trading up 44 cents to $48.88 a barrel. So we'll see how this plays out. Right now, there's not much I'm looking to do in oil or gold at the moment. So we'll let this play out. We'll see where it goes, and we'll take it one step at a time. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.